Hello, wonderful friends. Are you ready for another amazing adventure with letters? I'm so excited. Today, we're going to finish our journey through the ABCs, all the way from U to Z. Let's get started. Our first letter is U, a big, beautiful U. Can you say U with me? U. Fantastic. U is for under the umbrella. We stand under the umbrella when it rains. U is for up, and away, like a superhero flying up, and away. U is for using utensils. We are using utensils to eat our yummy food. U is for an unusual unicorn. Have you ever seen an unusual unicorn? U is for an upbeat ukulele. Let's play an upbeat ukulele song. U is for an unbelievable universe. The universe is so big and unbelievable. U is for an urban uniform. Some people wear a special urban uniform for work. U is for an ugly umbrella. Oh no, this umbrella is a bit ugly. U is for unlocking a unit. We need a key for unlocking a unit. And U is for an ultimate undertaking. Finishing this big puzzle is an ultimate undertaking. Great job with you. Next up, we have the letter V. It looks like a pointy triangle. Let's say it together. V, awesome. V is for a very valuable vase. Be careful with that very valuable vase. V is for visiting a village. Let's go visiting a village in the countryside. V is for a vibrant violin. A vibrant violin makes beautiful music. V is for a victorious venture. Winning the race was a victorious venture. V is for a vivid view. The view from the mountain is so vivid. V is for a vast valley. Look at that big, vast valley down there. V is for a vegetarian vegetable. All vegetables are vegetarian vegetables. V is for a vintage vehicle. That old car is a vintage vehicle. V is for a velvet vest. I'm wearing a soft velvet vest. And V is for a valiant visitor. The knight was a valiant visitor to the castle. You are very good at this. Let's move on to the letter W. It looks like two verses together. Can you say W? W. Wonderful. W is for walking in the woods. Let's go walking in the woods and see the trees. W is for a wonderful world. We live in such a wonderful world. W is for washing windows. Let's make the windows shiny by washing them. W is for a wild wolf. A wild wolf howls at the moon. W is for a warm welcome. We always give our friends a warm welcome. W is for a witty wizard. The witty wizard knows many magic tricks. W is for a wacky walrus. That walrus is making a wacky face. W is for wearing wool. In winter, we are wearing wool to stay warm. W is for waiting with a watch. I am waiting with a watch to see what time it is. And W is for waving a wand. A fairy is waving a wand to make magic. Woohoo! You did it! Here comes a really cool letter, X. It's like a cross. Let's make an X with our fingers. Now say X. X. Excellent! X can be a little tricky, but we can do it. X is for an extra box. Can you find the extra box? X is for a relaxing sax. The sound of a relaxing sax is so nice. X is for fixing with a wax. We are fixing the surfboard with a wax. X is for mixing 6 things. Let's try mixing 6 different colors. X is for an excellent fox. That fox is an excellent jumper. X is for an exciting X-ray. An X-ray lets doctors see inside our bodies, which is exciting. X is for an extreme xerophyte. A xerophyte is a plant like a cactus that lives in the desert. how extreme. X is for a complex text. This book has a complex text. X is for a flexible reflex. A doctor checks our flexible reflex. And X is for an exact xylophone. Let's play a tune on this exact xylophone. You are an expert at X. We are almost there. The next letter is Y. Can you say Y? Y. Yes. Y is for a yellow yo-yo. I love playing with my yellow yo-yo. Y is for yummy yogurt. This yummy yogurt is a great snack. Y is for a useful yawn. Oh, a big useful yawn means someone is sleepy. Y is for a yearly yield. The farm has a great yearly yield of apples. Y is for a yard of yarn. We can knit a scarf with a yard of yarn. Y is for yelling yes. Let's all be yelling yes. Y is for a yammering yak. A yammering yak makes a lot of noise. Y is for your yesteryear. Your yesteryear is a year that just passed. Y is for yielding your spot. Yielding your spot in line is a very kind thing to do. And Y is for a zesty mystery. Oh, wait, that's not right. Let's try. Y is for a yummy yeast. We use yummy yeast to make bread rise. Yay for Y. And now, for the very last letter of the alphabet. Can you guess what it is? It's Z. Let's make a zigzag in the air and say Z. 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 Amazing. Z is for a zany zebra. Look at that zany zebra with the silly stripes. Z is for a zigzagging zipper. My jacket has a zigzagging zipper. Z is for zooming to the zoo. Let's be zooming to the zoo to see the animals. Z is for a zesty zucchini. A zesty zucchini is a tasty vegetable. Z is for a zero zenith. Zenith is a point right above you in the sky. A zero zenith. Z is for a jazzy pizzazz. That dancer has a lot of jazzy pizzazz. Z is for a freezing blizzard. Bore, it's cold in a freezing blizzard. Z is for a buzzing bee. Don't get too close to a buzzing bee. Z is for a puzzling quiz. This is a fun and puzzling quiz. And Z is for a dizzying maze. Let's find our way out of this dizzying maze. We did it! We went all the way from A to Z. You are an alphabet superstar. You learned so many new letters and words today. I am so proud of you. Thank you for joining me on this incredible adventure. I had so much fun with you. If you want to have more fun learning with me, please ask a grown-up to help you follow and subscribe. See you next time, my brilliant friends. Bye-bye.